Strictland State Forest Ridge to Rainforest Trail.
It's called the Ridge to Rainforest. I love this track. I'm on my pushy.
This track is so fun on a mountain bike.
I consider this my home track. I just love it. There's lots of flowy bits and technical bits. It's really a walking track, but if you're a decent rider, you can ride it. Check this mad bit out. Sort of goes down into a valley. It's going to be hard to jump.
Could you jump that?
Check this little rock wall bit. Love this little bit. It's a pretty cool little bridge.
Serenity level 9000.
This is near the end of the trail. It's so beautiful. This is where the trail finishes. It's awesome.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.